Today we're troubleshooting why this 485 card here is down. We see no lights on this thing whatsoever. And it is snapped in. The network's down on the computer. So usually that's just a bad sign. When the lights are out, something got fried in it and it's completely no good anymore. So what we'll do is we'll snap this guy off. I brought a replacement one right here, and we'll put that guy on and see what goes on. So first, I need to unplug the comm network that's going in on this guy. Right there. Second, you need to get a screwdriver and kind of pry that apart right there. Do that. Alright, we got the screwdriver. Let's pry that guy off. There we go. Everything looks good here. No sign of burn marks or anything, but sometimes it doesn't smell like anything. But obviously it got fried. So, take this other one out of the box. On there like so. I'm gonna snap them together. And as you see, immediately I get a light. So that was 100% a bad comm card. Let's see if it starts blinking here in a second. COM 3, that's what's up there. You should get everything back online now. Come over here and see what's going on with this guy. There we go. Second floor, first floor, and there's my 14 network. So they're all back online. So that was it. All we had to do was replace the 485 card. Everything's good to go.